Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, guys. Today I'm going to show you a very alternative of Photoshop. So this is a very simple app. It's not even an app, it's actually a website called freetool.com, and this website is totally for free. You can go ahead and there's no complicated process. Just open the website freephototool.com, and this page will appear here. So go ahead and select full screen. Sorry. And then as you can see, this is totally just like Photoshop completely. So go ahead and select new project. For example, let me show you what this application can do. So as you can see, there is many different sizes, whether it's social media, print, photo, screen, mobile, ads, and so on. So and the social, for example, you can make Facebook page cover, Facebook profile, Facebook, Instagram stories, YouTube cover, YouTube profile, and so on. Let's go ahead and select Instagram. As you can see, there's many templates here, which is for free, totally free. You don't pay anything, you don't do anything. Just go ahead and select. As you can see, at the left there's a solid color templates, and at the right there are templates which contain pictures. So you can go ahead and select any of these templates in different sizes as you like, and you can edit these templates as you like. You can go ahead and edit just like Photoshop, and you can change color, size, anything, and you can go ahead and save it as go to file and go to export as, and you can save it as PNG, JPG, GIF, PDF, and so on. There's so many more, and you can save it as PSD. As you can see, you can save it as PSD to later open it with Photoshop. I'm sorry again. There's a problem with my voice now. Alright, so you can go ahead and open a Photoshop project with it. You can drag it here and you can edit on it for free. So this is a huge website that I came across, and I was like amazed at first, and I tried it. It works perfectly and it's so great. You have so many options just like Photoshop. Yeah, as you all know, guys, Photoshop is a very widely known photo editing tool software, and it's not for free. You have to pay for Photoshop like $13, I think. And if you want to subscribe to Adobe Creative Cloud, you have to pay $130, I think, a year. So this thing is just an alternative, very free. You don't need to, yeah, as you all know, Photoshop is big in size. It's almost 2 GB and takes a lot of time to install and to even open. And this is just a website. You have to just go here, and it's opens very fast, very quick, and yeah, no installation, no big size softwares, no any costs of any type. Just as you can see, very free, simple tool. So go ahead and check this website, and yeah, I'm very grateful for those who did this. I don't know who they are actually, but I'm so grateful. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed, and to comment like if you have anything to say about it, or not related comments. I accept to go down to the comment section and share the video to someone who is interested. This is very useful, I think. And yeah, thank you for watching. Have a good time. Assalamu alaikum.